Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Torque Rev PMS. Today, we are going to change the oil of Toyota Revo VX200. If you not yet subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ng Torque Rev PMS. To make this job, we need ratchet, socket wrench 14mm, oil filter, oil. Let's check the engine oil first. If the quality of the oil is still good or not. By this look, it seems we need to change the oil. We need to turn on the engine so we can thin the oil for about 5 minutes to make draining easier. Then after warming the engine, turn off the engine and loosen the drain plug of the engine oil pan located below. Then drain the oil. While draining the oil below, open the engine oil cap and the dipstick to hasten the draining time. Afterwards, we need to remove the oil filter. For about several hours, we will drain the oil. Then after draining the oil, we are ready to return the drain plug, the 14mm bolt. Then tighten it up with 14mm socket wrench. After tightening the draining bolt, can proceed now to install the oil filter. Here, we're now pouring the oil. Then, after removing the seals from the oil filter, we need to apply a thin film of oil to the rubber gasket. Then, wipe the excess dirt and oil from the mounting of the oil filter. Then, we can now proceed to installing the oil filter. Then clean the top engine oil cap so we can pour the oil and avoid cross contamination. We're now pouring the fresh oil into the engine. On pouring the oil, make sure to size up by checking the oil level from the dipstick before pouring all the contents from the container. So for us to avoid the overfilling of the oil, make sure that the level is on full level of the dipstick. There you go. So after peeling it up, we can now return the cap cover and start the engine and check if there's a leak on oil filter, and check the underneath the oil pan if there's a leak. Now if there's no leak, just like this, the vehicle is good to go.